You know that feeling when you get up in the morning and your knees sound like popcorn? Yeah, been there. You stretch, you twist a little, but everything just feels tight, rusty, and kinda unwilling to cooperate. It's like your body's saying, nope, we're not doing that today. That used to be me, stiff shoulders, aching hips, a back that felt like it needed an oil change. But guess what? That all started to change when I discovered a simple 10-minute daily routine that loosened me up and brought my strength back. No gym, no fancy equipment, just me, my living room, and a bit of consistency. Today, I want to share that exact routine and the mindset behind it that helped me go from stiff and sluggish to strong, mobile, and full of energy even after 60. Because trust me, you don't need an hour at the gym to feel amazing. You just need the right 10 minutes. Let's start with the truth. Stiffness isn't a sign of aging. It's a sign of neglect. Our bodies are like engines. If you leave them parked too long, they seize up. When we stop moving, even just for a few days, our joints start drying out, our muscles tighten, and our flexibility fades away. I learned that the hard way after a week of sitting too much during the winter. My hips felt like concrete blocks. Then one morning I thought, what if I just commit to 10 minutes a day? No excuses, no overthinking, just 10 minutes. That was the game changer. So, let's dive into the 5 moves that make up my daily anti-stiffness routine. The same ones that'll help you loosen up and build real, lasting strength. The first move is what I call the morning reboot. Before you even grab your coffee, stand tall, roll your shoulders back, and start gentle marching in place. Feel your arms swing, your spine straighten, your blood flow waking up. I do this for about 1 minute, and it's like pressing the reset button on your body. It gets your heart rate up just enough to send oxygen to those sleepy joints. You'll feel the stiffness start melting away as the warmth kicks in. Then I move into my second exercise, hip openers. Now, if you sit a lot, this one's your best friend. Stand behind a chair for balance, lift one knee up, and make small circles. Do 5 in one direction, 5 the other, then switch legs. You'll feel the tension release from your hips. Those joints are like the hinges of your whole body. Keep them flexible, and everything else starts to move better. This one took me from walking like a robot to walking like I meant it. The third move? The standing twist. This one wakes up your spine and improves balance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, arms out, and gently twist side to side, letting your eyes follow your hands. Don't force it, let it flow. You'll feel your core engage and your upper body loosen. It's not about power, it's about rhythm. I do this one for a full minute, and by the end, it feels like my spine just had a mini vacation. Now we get into strength territory with move number 4, wall push UPS. You don't need to hit the floor. The wall works just fine. Place your hands shoulder-width apart, lean slightly forward, and push in and out slowly. Engage your chest and arms, but keep your back straight. It builds strength without the strain. The key is control, slow, steady, and intentional. I started with 10 reps and worked my way to 20. You'll be amazed at how much stronger your arms and shoulders feel after just a week. And finally, move number 5, the chair squat. This one's a total body hero. Stand in front of a sturdy chair, lower yourself slowly, like you're about to sit, then push back up. Keep your heels grounded and your chest lifted. Don't rush. This move strengthens your legs, glutes, and core, everything you need to stay mobile and independent. At first, I could barely do 5. Now I knock out 15 without breaking a sweat. Those are the 5 moves that make up my 10-minute daily routine. But here's the thing, it's not just the exercises that matter, it's the consistency. 10 minutes a day might not sound like much, but when you stack those days together, your body starts to transform. You move smoother.
Juwok taller.
You wake up ready to go. And here's something most people don't realize. Stiffness and weakness are best friends. When your muscles weaken, your joints carry the load, and that's when the pain starts. This routine isn't just about stretching, it's about strengthening those forgotten muscles that support your frame. Your knees, your back, your hips, they all depend on strong muscles to do their job. So when you work on both flexibility and strength, your stiffness doesn't just fade, it disappears. But let's get real for a second. The hardest part isn't starting, it's showing up every day when you don't feel like it. Some mornings you'll wake up sore or tired, and your brain will whisper, "Skip it today." That's when you remind yourself that 10 minutes is all it takes. You can do anything for 10 minutes. Think about how much time we spend scrolling on our phones or watching TV. Swap one of those 10-minute chunks for your body, and you'll gain something money can't buy: freedom. Freedom to move without pain. Freedom to bend, reach, and walk without wincing. That's worth 10 minutes any day of the week. Now, I'll be honest, when I first started, I wasn't perfect. I wobbled during squats, I lost count during push-ups, and some days I only made it halfway through. But you know what? I still showed up. Because consistency beats perfection every single time. Over the weeks, I noticed my stiffness shrinking and my confidence growing. I started sleeping better, my mood improved, and suddenly, the mirror started showing someone who looked not younger, but more alive. And if you're thinking, "I'm too old for this," I want you to remember something. Movement doesn't care about your age. It only cares about effort. Your body is designed to heal, to adapt, to strengthen, no matter your number. It's waiting for you to give it a reason. This routine is that reason. Now imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, and instead of groaning as you get out of bed, you stand tall, take a deep breath, and feel light, flexible, strong. You stretch your arms, and there's no cracking, no hesitation, just freedom. That's what 10 minutes a day can do. Not someday. Not next month. Tomorrow. So, here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, do this 10-minute routine. That's it.
No gym, no gear, no excuses.
10 minutes of marching, twisting, stretching, pushing, and squatting. By the end of the week, I promise you'll feel a difference. Not just in your body, but in your energy, your confidence, and your outlook. Remember this: motion is medicine. Every time you move, you're telling your body, "I'm still here. I still care." And your body listens. It rewards you with strength, balance, and vitality that pills and supplements can't match. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, and pretty soon you'll forget what stiffness even felt like. Because after 60, life isn't slowing down, you're just getting started. So, lose the stiffness, gain your strength, and give your body the movement it's been craving. 10 minutes, that's all it takes to feel alive again. Let's get moving.